Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Wakakadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out from ABC7Chicago.com. And it reads, Retaliatory airstrikes underway in Syria after deadly attack on U.S. base in Jordan, officials says. And this is published by Alexander Hustler and Mered Dileso from ABC News as of Friday, February the 2nd, 2024 at 2:44 p.m. And it reads again, retaliatory airstrikes underway in Syria after deadly attack on U.S. base in Jordan, officials say. It says strikes in retaliation for a deadly attack on U.S. base in Jordan has begun. In Syria, U.S. officials confirmed to ABC News this is a developing story below previous coverage. U.S. was said to carry out retaliatory strikes in the Western Asia, likely against the Iranian-backed militants for a drone strike on an American base in Jordan on Sunday that killed 3 U.S. service members. Dozens of other Americans troops were wounded in the drone attack on the Tower 22 base near Jordan's border with Iraq and Syria. Military officials have said the U.S. said Iran is responsible for funding and arming the militants, while Iran has denied involvement. President Joe Biden quickly warned that America would respond, escalating involvement in the Western Asia after months of trying to contain tensions from boiling over in the borders into a border war in the region. And this is the book of Joel, which is the prophet Joel, Salakia. This is the prophet Joel 3 and verse 9. Proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war, wake up the mighty man, let all the men of war draw near, and let them come up. The prophet Joel 3 and verse 10, beat your plowshares and the swords and the pruning hooks at the spears shall let the weak say I'm strong. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying, because this was a recent couple of minutes ago from ABC7Chicago.com. As it says, retaliatory airstrikes underway in Syria after deadly attack on U.S. base in Jordan, officials have said. And this was from Friday, February the 2nd, 2024 at 2:44 p.m. So with that, once again, hopefully the lesson was edifying. And I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Wakakadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf. And the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Ba'Shem, in the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo-Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the Old Tongue. And Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.